Most people think Thailand is just beaches, temples, and pad thai. But 5 years ago, I moved here and what I found blew my mind. Behind the tuk-tuks and tourist traps is one of Asia's most overlooked sourcing hubs. While everyone chasing factories in China or Vietnam, smart importers are quietly making serious profits from Thai products that are high quality, competitively priced, and surprisingly under the radar. Hey friends, I'm Murat. Welcome back to the Market Research Club, where we turn global trade into your next income stream. And today's video, part of our best-selling product series. I will share 10 of the most export-ready Thai products you can start importing in 2025. And don't worry, you don't need a huge budget or be a trade expert to get started. Plus, one of these might just be your golden ticket. Alright, let's dive into the 10 best products to import from Thailand in 2025, including one I literally discovered in a Bangkok street market that blew my mind. If I had to start with just one low-risk, high-reward product from Thailand, it would be this, dried fruits. Why? Because they are basically the perfect importer starter pack. They are light, shelf-stable, and don't need refrigeration, which means fewer headaches and cheaper shipping. Think mango slices, banana chips, and yes, even dried durian. It is like sending fruit that survived the apocalypse, and people love it. But here is where it gets exciting. Global demand is exploding, especially in health-focused markets like the US, Japan, and the EU. And if you go organic or exotic, you are looking at margins up to 70%. Even better, it's beginner-friendly. You can test with just 50 or 100 kilograms. No breakage risk, no complex storage, just sourced from areas like Bangkok, Chonburi, or Rayong. Or browse Alibaba to cast a wider net. Just be sure to check for certifications like FDA or EU Organic if you are selling overseas, and steer clear of sulfate-heavy varieties in stricter markets. And if you need any professional help to source the right fruits or any other Thai products from Thailand, you can reach me via email. You can find my email address in the description below. Simple, profitable, scalable. Honestly, this could be your soft landing into global trade. Let me tell you a secret most beginner importers miss. Essential oils are one of the Thailand's hidden power plays. I'm talking lemongrass, eucalyptus, and a dozen other botanical superstars. All distilled straight from Thailand's lush forests and mountain farms, especially up north in Chiang Mai. They are insanely lightweight, easy to store, and margins anywhere from 60 to 150%. Yes, you heard that right. Wellness is booming, from Brooklyn yoga studios to Berlin aromatherapy shops. And Thailand soil have the smell of authenticity that buyers crave. And if you are targeting premium buyers, lock in that organic certification. It is what separates high-volume hustle from high-ticket brand building. Start small, test fast, and let the numbers talk. For a first-time importer, this one's a low-effort, high-return opportunity that smells like success, literally. Here is what most people forget about Thailand. It is not just beaches and temples. It is a global fashion lab. From the bustling street markets of Bangkok to the artisan studios of Chiang Mai, Thai designers are creating accessories that pop, handcrafted bags, scarves, and statement pieces that fly off the shelves in Seoul, Berlin, and Los Angeles. And the best part, you get trend-forward style at local prices, thanks to Thailand's creative culture and affordable labor. We are talking 50 to 100% profit margins on products that fit in your hand. Pro tip, steer clear of exotic leather unless you have got sighted dogs. But for fabric, folks, and handmade gear, you are golden. Look up suppliers like Thai Fashion or do what smart importers do. Hit the local markets, find unique designs, and test small batches. When fashion meets strategy, you are not just selling accessories. You are building a brand. Let me tell you a quick story. I once watched a woman in Konkan spend hours weaving a single meter of silk. No machines, just skill passed down for generations. That is the magic of Thai silk. It is not just cloth. It is legacy woven into every thread. And buyers around the world know it. From boutique fashion houses in Milan to luxury stores in Tokyo. This fabric streams exclusivity and they are paying for it. Profit margins 50 to 100%. Shipping light and easy. But here is the catch. Always look for the Thai silk mark. It is your golden stamp of authenticity. You will find amazing suppliers in Konkan, Bangkok, and Chiang Mai. Or check with the Thai Silk Association to avoid mass market fakes. If you are building a brand that blends culture, sustainability, and premium appeal, this is a power move. Here is something wild. The average American pet owner now spends more on their dog than on their own coffee. And it is not just the US. From Paris to Tokyo, pet parents are on a mission to spoil their fur babies. And smart importers are cashing in. Thailand is quietly becoming a gold mine for affordable, adorable, and safe pet products. Think squeaky toys, grooming kits, stylish pet clothes. All lightweight, low cost, and ridiculously profitable. You can get margins up to 90% if you find the right niche. Pro tip, look for manufacturers in Bangkok and Samut Prakan and make sure they meet non-toxic certification standards, especially for EU and Japan. Check out companies like Thai Pet Products to get started. Bottom line, you are not just selling delicious or cheap toys. You are tapping into people's love stories with their pets. And that is one market that never stops growing. Let me tell you something I have seen with my own eyes in Bangkok. A 70-year-old herbalist selling homemade balms with a line of 20 tourists waiting to buy. No market, no Shopify, just pure ancient healing power in a jar. Thailand's herbal and Ayurvedic traditions go way back. And now they are perfectly aligned with today's wellness craze. Teas, oils, balms, supplements. They are trending like crazy in places like the USA, Europe, Australia, even back in India. And get this, profit margins can go up to 120%, especially if you focus on premium, organic, or small batch brands. Sourcing is easy. Head to Chiang Mai or Bangkok and look for manufacturers like Thai Herbal. Just make sure they have got FDA and GMP certifications if you are selling to more regulated markets. Here is the kicker. You are not just selling herbal tea. You are selling calm, ritual wellness. And when you get the positioning right, these products don't just move. They create loyal, repeat buyers who swear by your brand. A few weeks ago, I walked into a tiny spa in Rangsit. The air smelled like lemongrass and eucalyptus, and they handed me a warm herbal compress. In that moment, I thought this isn't just relaxation. It is exportable peace. Thailand's spa culture is world famous, and now you can bottle that experience. With essential oil blends, herbal compresses, and bath salts flying off the shelves in the US, Europe, and even the Middle East. Here is the opportunity. These products are lightweight, luxurious, and emotional. When people buy them, they are not just buying skincare. They are buying a self-care experience. Margins, think 50 to 120%, especially when paired with great packaging and a story that screams made in Thailand. Sourcing, easy. Head to Bangkok or Chiang Mai and look up Thai spa products. Just make sure they have got FDA or organic certifications if you are going global. If you can sell the feeling, not just the item, you have got a winner. You are not just shipping bath salts, you are shipping serenity. Imagine holding a basket, hand-woven from bamboo by artisans in Ayutthaya, each strand telling a story of tradition, culture, and care. That basket isn't just a product. It is a bridge between centuries-old craftsmanship and today's eco-conscious consumer. Thai handcrafts like bamboo baskets, wooden home decor, and woven goods are quietly becoming top picks in the US, Europe, and Australia. Why? Because buyers love the story and they are willing to pay 60 to 130 profit margins for authentic, sustainable, fair trade products. And here is the kicker. These aren't bulky, fragile items. They are lightweight, easy to ship in bulk, and perfect if you want to start small and scale. Just connect with artisan collectives or suppliers like Thai Handcrafts in Chiang Mai and Ayutthaya, and you are off to the races. One quick heads up, avoid any protected materials to keep things smooth. In a world drowning in mass production, authentic handmade stands out. So if you are importing Thai handicrafts, you are not just moving products, you are sharing culture. And that is priceless. If you have noticed coconut oil in every health aisle and coconut snacks in every trendy cafe, you are onto one of the hottest global trends, and Thailand is right at the center of it. Picture this: cities like Samut Sakhon and Surat Thani buzzing with producers turning fresh coconuts into everything from cooking oil to beauty creams. Big names like Thai Coconut are leading the charge. Here is the kicker: profit margins of 40 to 80% let you ride this way without needing a massive budget. Organic coconut oil flies off shelves in the US and Europe, while coconut snacks and cosmetics are blowing up in Japan and South Korea. Bonus tip: always check for FDA and organic certifications. Premium buyers care about quality. Whether you want to niche down into tasty snacks or build a whole coconut lifestyle brand, these products are lightweight, high demand, and beginner friendly. Bottom line, if you are looking at something fresh, versatile, and profitable to your import game, coconut-based products might just be your golden ticket. If you are dreaming of high margins and that luxe vibe, Thai jewelry is pure gold, or should I say pure gems. Bangkok and Chantaburi are where the magic happens. Expert gemstone cutting and silver craftsmanship that is world class. These aren't just pretty pieces. They are selling like hotcakes in the US, Europe, China, and the Middle East, with profit margins soaring from 70% all the way up to 150%. But here is the secret sauce: authenticity matters. You will want certificates for your gemstones to build trust and stand out in those premium markets. The Gem and Jewelry Institute of Thailand is your go-to for sourcing and verifying. What makes jewelry such a smart import? It is lightweight, easy to ship, and has that high perceived value that online buyers love. Whether you are targeting boutique store or e-commerce, this small product packs a big punch. So if you want something that sparkles in your portfolio, Thai jewelry might just be your crown jewel. And there you have it, 10 top products to import from Thailand in 2025. From beginner-friendly dried fruits to luxury jewelry that sparkles with profit, Thailand really is a goldmine for importers of all levels. Whether you are just dipping your toes or ready to dive deep into the import-export game, these lightweight, high-margin products are worth serious attention. But here is the thing: don't just guess where your buyers and suppliers are. Research smarter, not harder. This video is part of the Market Research Club, our deep dive series into global trade opportunities, broken down step by step, no fluff. Now, I want to hear from you. Which product caught your eye? Drop a comment below or tell me what country you want me to explore next. If this video helped you out, hit like and share it with a friend who is into global trade. And don't forget to subscribe for more feel-good, profit-smart content. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.